PYPL stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. PayPal Holdings is sitting at $91.80, 3.25% up. What I'm going to do is just I'll come here, show you this. It's just absolutely beautiful. Previously, let me show you the video as proof. So what we have here is like this. So that was 7 days ago, May, when the price was sitting at 83 bucks.
Then and only then I'll take.
That's when the video was made.
Unless the rules are met, I'm not going to move forward.
Right, and guess what happened? Yeah, we did exactly this, and throughout the week, it just started gapping up. No more waiting. I just want to see the highs getting cleared out, but like once we open on Tuesday, like quite literally, there's nothing stopping me from longing this, and as long as the price actually gives me the rules, like intraday. Nothing stopping me from doing this. Like, it's such an easy approach that's crazy. I mean, I like the market cap. I like the way that, like, where we are and whatnot. It's just like a great ticker, like with even a greater timing. But I'm not gonna long as the price doesn't give me the rules. So I'm gonna keep you updated. But if you want to make more money trading in a simple and easy way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.